Hello everyone, it's the beginning of the Every Bit Counts challenge. I'm going to do mine a little bit different. As I'm working on dinner, let me show you. I'm making chicken broccoli casserole, and so I'm going to be, normally we would put these in the air fryer or in a crock pot or even the barbecue, which is really yummy. But I want broth too, and because I want to can some broth, I am going to boil these and make some chicken broth. So let me throw in some carrots and onions and we'll get going. Okay, I have my chicken, my carrots, onion in there. And let's go ahead and add some Redmond real salt. Okay, and that'll be it for now. Out in the garden to harvest some celery. I don't have any huge stalks, but I can at least get it for some of the flavor. Oh, I wish I would have grabbed a scissors or something. I guess these are coming off fine. Okay, this should flavor it pretty nicely. I do have some yummy, awesome banana peppers that are growing nice. And my tomatoes are finally coming on. Look, there's a yummy, I think that's a champagne one. Let's taste. Yummy. The first couple ones were bitter. I wonder if they're just missing a nutrient or something. I'll have to look it up. I need to add some nutrients in there. Looks like my husband already did. I see some blue stuff. Okay, let's go throw this in the pot. I also want to add garlic too. Throw this in the pot. My little garlic nubs that are all dried out, but they'll still bring out the flavor. I want to leave the lid on because I want to keep all the broth, and we'll be back in about an hour. Here's a broccoli tip. Did you know you can eat the stem? All you need to do is peel these off so it looks like this. And I chopped off the first 1 or 2 slices until it gets soft. You can eat this whole thing. It's really yummy and tender. While the chicken broth is still going, I'm going to steam my broccoli on top. And the next day we're back. I put it in the fridge to scrape off the top fat of the skim off the fat as much as I could, and now I strained it to get out all the other bits of veggies, and now I have 3 jars I'm going to add to my Presto electric canner with my 4-jar canning lids. I need to wipe the rims off with vinegar first. Okay, so broth needs to go for 25 minutes for quart jars, and 5 can fit in here, but do not leave just 3 by themselves because they will fall over and they could break. So I added empty jars with, well, halfway with water anyway. They're going to process for 25 minutes. Lid on. Push play. Had a little bit left in the broth, and this is what I gathered from the harvest. And I will show you how I'm going to process those peppers in small little batches when you don't have a whole jar. I'll do that tomorrow. Next day I was able to pull these out. They are still warm. They all sealed. They look great. Go to 4jars.co and put in my coupon code LITTLE10. Thanks. See you next time.